Hi everyone, I have an unboxing from scrapbook.com and I'd like you to come along and see all the things that I received. Also, they're giving a free 6x6 pack of Christmas paper and a Fa La Las die if you're interested. I've never really seen a cardboard box in this size. Let me see if I can get it on this side. Alright. Alright. Let's see the goodies I got. I'll put this over here. Okay. So the free things we got was this 6x6 paper pad, double-sided, number 65 cardstock. It has 24 double-sided papers. And I'll flip through it. I mean, you can see them all here, but I'll flip through it anyway. Take this off. So here's all the pages. We got stars here, trees, ornaments, flowers. Oh, some cut aparts, plaid, Santas, envelopes, to Mrs. Claus, to Frosty the Snowman, to Santa Claus, to Jack Frost. Those are cute even if you want to just cut them out instead of using them as cardstock. More cut aparts. More cut aparts. So, this is a cute little, more cut aparts. This is a cute little pack. And you got a Fa La La die, which is right here. Let me open this. So this was free too, and you didn't have to spend any, I mean, it was automatically free. Whatever you got these two things free. I don't think you had to spend a certain amount. So that's cute. And what I ended up buying was some Tim Holtz snapshots for some journals. And I wanted some of his these are double-sided cards. They just have like words on them. I love those. So I wanted to get a pack of these. I wanted to get his chapter 3 die because I love it. You can make this little folder and the specimen card. You got all the numbers here. There's 54 dies. I hate that. They're all up here, but it's so awesome. I can't wait to make stuff with this. And like, I just can't wait. And here's all like the little words over here. And just look how cute that is, that little folder. It's just so cute. And that specimen card, you can put a piece of vellum over there, any picture you want. See, it's recessed. This is just awesome. I had to get it. So I got that. And then I'm going to be doing a lot of, I have a craft fair coming up in October. And I'm going to be doing a lot of fall journals and Halloween journals and stuff. So I wanted to get some cut aparts to help out with some ephemera that I'm going to be using. So I got these cut aparts. for Halloween. I got these that are, these are die cut stickers. I thought these were nice. I got this one for fall. These are all 3x4 cut aparts. This one, I think this one must be 4x6, I think, because these are big. But I can use those too. Got those for fall. Here's another Halloween one. When I first started card making and crafting, I used to get mad at the cut aparts and I would say, why do they have these in here? I don't need this. And it's like, then I started doing swaps and doing journals, and now I need the cut aparts. I'm always looking for cut aparts now. Here's more fall ones. Look at this, how cute. I love fall with the little vase and flowers. So cute. So I got these. I got another fall one, which are these. And they were $1 a piece, and I didn't think that was bad for 12 of them. You know, they also have, if you don't want it, I mean, the other sides of them are also printed, so in case you don't want the cut aparts. Like, look at this back one, how cute. I put a spell on you. Are you a good witch or a bad witch? Hocus pocus. I actually like that back of that cardstock. So maybe if there's an ugly cut apart, maybe I'll use the back of it. But look how cute these are. Please don't feed the plants. Remember Petunia? Was it Petunia? What was it? No, that wasn't her name. And Rocky Horror. Not Rocky Horror. What was that? Honey, what was the show? What was that show with Martin Short? With the eating plant. It was like the Venus flytrap. Little Shop of Horrors. Yeah, what was her name?
I don't know.
He doesn't remember her name. I said Petunia.
I think you're right, yes.
You think it may be Petunia, I'm not sure. But these are too cute. Look at that owl. He looks miserable. That skeleton party. That is funny. So yeah, these are cute. And I got 2 more for Christmas. I got this. And this one. Home for the holidays. I like that one. Look at the gingerbread house. Really cute. Christmas chair. Oh, I like this one with the candy canes in it. So, this one's cute too. So that's what I got at scrapbook.com. Like I said, they're giving these 2 things away for free. If you're interested in picking up a little something, why not? You can pick these up while you're at it. And I cannot wait to make some of these things. I'm telling you. Really cool. So, thanks for watching. Happy crafting. And I'll catch you next time. Bye.